Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. Welcome back to my difference between standard and solid wire part 2 video. If you like my previous video, please share my video to your friend. And in this video, now I am talking about the second part of difference between standard and solid wire. Please stay with us. Standard wire versus solid wire. In my previous video, I was already discussed about definition of strand and solid wire, some difference between strand wire and solid wire. In this video, now I will discuss key difference between strand wire and solid wire. Strand versus solid wire current capacity. Solid wire is thicker, which means less surface area for dissipation. The thinner wire is strand wire, contained air gaps and greater surface area, with the individual strand transferring to more dissipation. When crossing between solid wire strand wire for house wiring, the solid wire offers higher current capacity. Routing. Strand wire offer superior bendability and flexibility, making them easier to route around obstacles than solid wires. Flexibility. Strand wire are more flexible and can sustain more variation and flexing without breaking. Solid wire may require more frequent replacement than strand wires in applications with significant movement or vibration. Cost. The production cost of solid wire are much lower than strand wire, which makes solid wire the more affordable choice. Ease of manufacturing. The single core nature of solid wire makes it much simpler to manufacture. Strand wire require more complex manufacturing process to twist the thinner wires together. Distance. For longer runs, solid wire are the better choice because they feature less current dissipation. Strand wire will perform well over short distance. Superiority. When it comes down to strand versus solid wire, there is no clear choice. Each option offers distinct advantages in particular situations. Viewers, that's my second part of difference between standard and solid wire. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friends. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.